In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner, resizing images correctly is crucial to creating visually appealing and professional email campaigns. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're signed into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either create a new email campaign or open an existing draft. This is important because you'll need a place to add or work with images. Once you're inside your email draft, find the specific image you want to edit and click on it. This action will bring up a variety of options, but our focus today will be on editing the image. Next, you'll want to select the Edit button to open Mailchimp's built-in photo editor. The photo editor offers a variety of tools that can help you customize your image to fit seamlessly within your email template while also capturing the attention of your readers. As we proceed, you'll find different editing options at your disposal. Firstly, there's the Crop tool. Cropping is handy if you want to focus on a specific part of the image, or if you need to fit the image into a particular aspect ratio. Simply drag the corners or sides of the cropping frame to adjust the visible area of your image. This feature is great for eliminating any unnecessary background or zooming in on a certain element within the image. Next, you'll see the Resize tool. This tool is invaluable when you need to adjust the dimensions of your image to ensure it fits within the design of your email campaign. Input your desired width and height, and Mailchimp will maintain the aspect ratio for you, unless you choose to unlink them, ensuring your image doesn't become distorted. If exact dimensions matter to you, be sure to have those numbers on hand before making adjustments. In addition, the photo editor provides options to rotate or flip the image. These features allow you to change the orientation of your image, which can be useful if your image wasn't taken aligned correctly, or if it adds to the visual theme of your email. Moreover, don't forget to explore basic edits like adjusting brightness or applying filters. These edits can enhance the overall look of your image, making it more appealing and aligned with your brand's color scheme or tonality. Once you've made all your edits and you're satisfied with how your image looks, be sure to save your changes. This step is crucial because any unsaved edits will be lost once you navigate away from the editor. Saving will update the image within your email draft, keeping all your hard work intact. And there you have it. That's how you resize an image in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you can make sure your images look their best, enhancing the overall impact of your email campaigns. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.